So now I'm going to discuss the basic points that should be considered in obtaining standards. Number 1. Amount of standard writing available. There is no fixed rule as to a definite number of standards that may be considered adequate or sufficient. Experience shows, however, that at least 7 standards usually constitute as a sufficient amount, but effort should be not made merely to comply with this minimum requirement, but as much as possible, more should be procured. As a rule, 10 is better than 7, 15 is better than 10, and 20 is better than 15. More standards provide a wider field for selection of the more appropriate standards. Number 2. Similarity to subject matter. As a rule, like things must be compared. A signature cannot be compared with an extended writing, neither a cursive writing with a writing or an extended or conventional or layhand writing with block writing. Therefore, signature should be compared with a signature, extended writing, and so on. Number 3. Relative date of the question signature or writing with the standards. The standards must be those executed or affixed on documents with dates of contemporaneous with or close to the date of the question signature. The best standard are those made on dates which come during a perfect period before, about, and after the date of the question signature. In some cases, where the standards do not show radical changes or of variation and a few years, writings made before or after the date of the question signature may prove appropriate as standards. Number 4. Conditions under which known writing or signature is prepared. Serious illness, intoxication, haze, lack of care, or a natural writing position, as resting the paper on knee or magazine or back held with the other hand, or writing while riding on a moving vehicle, may introduce variations in writing which may render such writing not appropriate or unsuited standard for comparison with more carefully written material. Writing made under such unusual or natural conditions should not be solely the basis of comparative examinations of a writing made or done in a normal condition or position. The main difficulty encountered in comparative examination of question writing under the unusual condition is that there are no available standards written under the similar conditions. Number 5. Kinds of instrument and paper use. The kind of writing instrument and paper use might influence, affect the writing. Pencil writing, for example, may not entirely show the characteristic of a fountain pen or ballpen writing. As a rule, some of the standards at least should be those which were written with the same instrument as that in the question document, and as far as possible, the paper used in the standard should be of the same size, shape, ruling, and composition as the one used in the question document.